guys, so today we are going to introduce you to the newest member of our family, Posha, who Misha likes to call
Pushy.
And we are going to show you how this robo can cook a variety of meals and you can control it from right here.
Okay, so we will be making kadai chicken today. I'm going to show you how to set up the recipe, load up all the ingredients, all the masalas, and then how to get it started. So first things first, we'll come here to the screen. You can type in the recipe name. It's karahi chicken. Okay, you can control the number of servings. So I'm going to change that to 3. And then you can modify as well. You can control the spice level, oiliness, saltiness, and so on and so forth. So a lot of different options to configure. I just like to keep it to the default values. And then here it tells you container A needs to have chicken thighs and so on and so forth. So if you come here, you can see the 4 containers. First one has chicken, second has chopped onion with ginger garlic paste. This one has tomato puree with green chilies, and then the last one has bell peppers and onions. And then once you are done with that, you can click on all prepped up. It shows you the spices that are needed. So you can open the spice tray, make sure all of them are in the right slot, and then make sure that there is enough for each one of them. Once all of that is done, we will load up the spatula right here. Connected. Now I will say proceed to liquids. It is asking me to check the water level, which we can do here. You can open this up to refill, but you can see the level even without taking it out. So you can see it's close to the level 3 here. There is, I think, decent amount of oil for this recipe. So I'm going to move the slider up, take it to level 3. And say, yep, I'm confirming the water level. It does some checks, make sure the correct spatula is connected. And then once all of this is done, you can say, start cooking.
Alright, Nisha, try it.
Oh my god, it is so good.
You like it?
Yeah, I want more.
Thank you for watching.